Instagram has added new options to their Instance feature, allowing users to add fun camera effects to their photos and videos. Want to try them for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add effects to Instagram Instance. Now let's get started. To get access to these new effects, you'll need to ensure your Instagram app is updated to the newest available version. To add effects to Instagram Instance, open the Instagram app and tap the message icon in the middle of the bottom menu. Then tap the Instance icon in the bottom right corner. To add an effect, swipe sideways across the camera preview window. There are 4 effects available currently, which include fisheye, kaleidoscope, pixelate, and chromatic aberration. Swiping a 5th time will get you back to normal camera mode. Once you've chosen the effect you want to use, set up your instant by deciding if you want to post to all your friends or only close friends, and add a caption if you want. Then capture your instant photo or video, and it will be instantly shared with your selected audience. That's all it takes to add effects to Instagram Instance. Want to learn more helpful Instagram tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.